Okay. Hi everyone. I've just completed 2 more prints for my HuxleyMD eMaker MD My Design combo, and these are the parts I've printed. This is a little bracket that holds a 623 one of those bearings, 19mm diameter, to hold a 6mm shaft. This is the screw thread for the Z-axis. It lines up the bearing with this bottom screw axis, and again there's a mirrored one on that side. Exactly the same design, just mirrored using SketchUp. This is for test walls that I've duplicated. I'm currently running Red Snapper, and I've had a little bit of help from where is he? Clement. So thank you. And then this is the result. As you can see, it's moving quite nicely. We've got no proper extruder on here yet. This is just a brass nozzle that I mocked up. It's my first test to make an extruder. This is using my Mark IV from a MakerBot. That's the MakerBot behind it. The idea is that this heats up here. This is a brass block, and then inside here we've got the PTFE, but this gets extremely hot. This is all made out of aluminium, so I've bought a large block of peat, which is currently down there, which I can fit on there. This is Jean-Marc's heated build platform design, which I must say has come out really nicely. I've etched that myself, and as you can see, it's all working. It's currently running off my ramps, which are pretty cool now. I adjusted the settings on them. So you're looking at 35 degrees max on those. Yeah, I'm quite impressed. I like this small design, that's why I've gone for this one and not any others. Just joined up some of the wires using a screw terminal, twisted the pairs up. What I'm planning on doing next is mounting the ramps on this side here. So in theory this would be the back, so that you just have the very smooth fronts from that. The couplings, I've used these types from a model shop. It's actually these bits here that get used for the miniature wade extruders, or were used before M3 tapping came in. And I'm really impressed by the actual make. You need to tighten up some of these a little bit because they're really loose, so you don't get the accurate results. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to take this assembly, flip it so it's flat, and I've got a Maker Gear peak extruder head, which will then in theory fit in between these. This belt would then run much like a Prusa Mendel does. Yeah, fab. I did have one issue with the end stops, and as you notice I haven't got any end stops on, but funny enough it's still working. The reason why I got around that was the little wire link. You can't really see that, it's a bit. You can see that just in there, grounding the signal line, so it thinks that it's never reaching its maximum point. So yeah, fabulous.